This is the Sony WH-1000XM4, a premium wireless noise cancelling over-the-ear headphone. It offers excellent sound quality, comfortable fit, and industry-leading noise cancellation technology. In terms of sound quality, these headphones deliver very clear, detailed audio with a well-balanced frequency response. The bass is tight and punchy, while the mids and highs are clean and accurate. These headphones have a number of sound-enhancing features, including a customizable EQ and the ability to upscale compressed audio files to near high-resolution quality. I find the fit of these headphones very comfortable and secure thanks to the padded ear cups and headband. The headphones are also lightweight and foldable, making them easy to carry around. Now their controls are intuitive and easy to use with touch-sensitive pads on the ear cups for controlling music and taking calls. One of the standout features of these headphones is their noise cancelling technology, which is some of the best on the market right now. Sony is using advanced algorithms, and as a result, these headphones are able to effectively block out the background noise and distractions, allowing you to focus on your music or phone calls. Now when you install the app, you can control the noise cancellation. It can be customized to your preference with a range of settings to choose from. Now these headphones feature additional microphones that assist in isolating sounds while talking on the phone. So this results in improved phone quality and reduction of high and mid frequency sounds such as rustling of wind noise. These headphones offer a number of convenient features that make them a great choice for travelers. First is the long battery life. You get up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge. They also support fast charging with the ability to get up to 3 hours of extra use time from just a 3-minute charge. Now these headphones have multiple built-in microphones for taking calls and also for invoking voice assistants. And you can easily pair them with your Bluetooth device or your smartphones. In addition to their excellent sound quality and noise cancellation, these headphones offer a number of other features that make them a great choice for music lovers. They have a feature called adaptive sound control that automatically adjusts the noise cancellation based on where you are. So your surrounding environment will decide the level of noise cancellation. So for example, if you are in a quiet room, the headphones will reduce the noise cancelling level to allow you to hear your surrounding. I think this is a really good feature for people who need to be aware of their surroundings, such as travelers or commuters. The second feature that I like is called quick attention mode. It allows you to quickly reduce the volume of your music or pause it altogether by placing your hand over the right ear cup. I think this is a really convenient feature when you need to have conversation or listen to announcements without having to take off your headphones. Another useful feature of this headphone is the ability to customize the touch control on the ear cup. This allows you to set different functions for different touch gestures, such as double tapping to skip a track or swiping up to increase the volume. Overall, the Sony WH-1000XM4 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for high quality audio, comfortable fit, and effective noise cancellation in their headphones. So if you're in the market for a premium wireless headphone, I think these Sony headphones should be at the top of your list.